Hi everyone, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do an unboxing from DiamondArtGift. They sent me an email asking me if I would be interested in sharing some of their products, and I said sure, why not? Okay, so the first one is called Cartoon. That's what it's called. It's a beautiful girl, gorgeous girl. And she's wearing a beautiful hat, a very nice wintry hat and a coat. And she's wearing, you can see the dress underneath. She's got mittens. I love her tights. They match her hat. And of course, her booties. And then right next to her is a cute penguin. There's lots of snow. Now, like I mentioned before, this one is called Cartoon. It's round and it's 30 by 40 centimeters, and there's her picture. Can't really see it, but she's very cute, guys. And this has 22 colors, and it's $4.88. Very, very clear. Let me bring her up so you can see her better. Look how clear she is. And you see her hat? I'll bring her down so you can see her little blue coat with a little purple dress and her tights and a little penguin friend right next to her. So let's see. Very, very sticky, nice and shiny. Okay, and it came with a pencil, power grip, some wax, a placer, tweezers, and a tray. Okay, and these are the drills. So let's see, we said it has 22 colors. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. I am actually in the process of collecting all the gorgeous girls because they are beautiful and I love them. And so does Olivia. Olivia loves them. Okay. So since it's not too many, I'll just show it this way so you can see the colors better. Of course, it's got lots of grays. It's got light, dark, in between. More grays. This is like a moth. This is that beautiful green that I like. This looks maybe for her tights and her hat. And you have like an off-white, like a peachy color, brown, like a light brown. This is the gray. That's pretty. Lots of grays. Most of them are grays and beige or brown. And then you have a little bit purple, and that's probably for her dress. And some blue-green. Okay. Oh, and let's not forget these two here. These are like also in the purple family, and probably for her dress or probably for her hat. It's got like little polka dots, but it looks like purple maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I love her. Okay, so let's put this over there and put the painting over here. All right. The second one. This one is just very cute for the winter. And this one is called Valentine Couple Bear. And obviously, you know, there's a lot of snow around them. I think that's a swing. I'm not sure what this is, guys. But it looks like they love each other. And so they're wearing hats, wintry hats, a nice scarf. And I love the swing. It's got like, it looks like it's got like greenery around it and some red. So it's very pretty. All right, this one is 30 by 40 also. This is also a round. Okay, 30 by 40. It's got the picture there. This one has 20 colors. Very, very clear. So let me bring it up so you can see the cute little bears. I have no idea what that is, what this is. If you guys know what that is, please let me know in the comments because I have no idea. Okay, and it comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. Oh, let's see how sticky it is. And this one is $5, super sticky. $5.99. Excellent price. All right, and these are the colors. I love that it has lots of blue and it has red. Sorry about the noise. Alrighty, let's see. Let's move this over here. Usually these are all in order. So we'll look at the back of the color so you can see it better. It's reds, gray. This is like a brown. It's not a brown. It's like a brown gray. Lots of reds and pinks. And of course, let's not forget that beautiful blue green. And the grays, more blue green, like a blue gray, chocolate, peachy, probably for the teddy bears. And this is like a purplish color. This is like a very pretty gray and blue. And I love this one. That's probably for the snow around, I don't know, probably for the background. And of course you have 3 of these. No, this is probably for the background. Very pretty. And then you have 2 more whites. And that's probably for the hat. Yeah, you have white on their hats. All right. Beautiful colors. I absolutely love this one. Okay. I love teddy bears too. But who doesn't like teddy bears? Okay. Great price, great size. All right, the next one. The next one is also a gorgeous doll, and this was called Grace. Grace doll. And believe it or not, guys, this one is square. Okay. She's absolutely gorgeous. Let me bring her up so you can see her. I don't know if you can see that, but she's got this beautiful black long hair, and then it looks like she's got roses all around her hair. And then she's got this beautiful dress, and she's got these little cute shoes and her little tights. Oh my gosh, I love her. All right, now what's interesting about this one, guys, this one you have to turn it this way. So all wow. This one is a 40 by 30. Okay, 40 by 30. And it's got 35 colors. That's a lot of colors for a little one. So let me just turn her this way so you can see her. And this one is $7.99, which is not bad. Okay, you got the tray, the wax, and the pen. And these are the colors. I think these are the new drills that everybody says that they like better than the other ones. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah, I think they like these because you don't have to cut these. And see, they already come in baggies for you. So if you're traveling, but obviously these are not, I'll just take them out. They're not in order. So let me just put them out. Let me move the painting out of the way. So you got lots of pretty colors here. Look at this. That's pretty. It's like a very light purple. You got browns, blues, gray, pink. Not so many pinks. Well, yeah, there's pink. Of course, you need them for the flowers, I guess. See? Peachy, pinks, greens, blues. It's got a little bit of everything, actually. This one has grays, but mostly blues, grays, and purples. Okay. All right. So one more thing that I got from DiamondArtGift. All right. Let's move this beautiful one over here. And remember, that one actually is a square. Okay, Grace doll. Okay, this I got. All right, so this one is called Diamond Painting Point Drill Pen Tools and DIY Accessories. And it's got 19 pieces. And it's called purple, but I guess because of the pen, because everything else, the tray is pink, or am I colorblind? All right, wow, it's pretty heavy. This is my first, this is, I don't own one of these. I like it. I like the way, the color, and the way it's shiny. And it feels good. Huh. Gotta try that, guys. So it's got a tray. Look at this. This is where you put the drills, which is cute, which I do not have one of these. Look at how cute this is. How do you open this? Wow. Mamma mia. There goes my nail. Anyway, it's got 12, but you have to be very careful when you open these. It's pretty tight, actually. So it's got 12 for 12 colors. So if you're working on a small painting, You got a clip here. And then I see everyone, all the ladies with this tray. I do not have one of these. This is called a leaf tray. The other day I was watching Diane Loves Colors, her bloopers. Oh my gosh, she had me on the floor when she was opening this one. But yeah, so everybody raves about these. So I'm going to try them out. It's pretty, isn't it? I like it. All right. And then what else? Oh, you got more clips. Then you got for the pen, some placers. So you got a straightener. You have the crooked one, just think, I don't guess if you work a certain way, a certain angle, and some placers. And look how cute this is with wax in here. Oops, sorry. Look at that, 3 of them. I love this. It looks like a little perfume bottle. Very cute, guys. All right. Well, this is going to come in handy because I think in 2 weeks, I am going to go to a 2-day retreat. I'm coming home. But so I can maybe take a small painting and some scrapbooking stuff to do. But anyway, so let's move this beautiful stuff over here. And that was, I said, $5.99, which is excellent, guys. And let's put the 3 paintings so you can see them. Oh, of course, there goes the colors. That's okay. Let's put this one, because the bigger one, let's put the bigger one in the middle. Actually, you know what? Let's put the teddy bear in the middle. Why not? Can you see that, guys? All right. And that's about it. So I'm just going to put it like this. Yeah. That's about it, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.